Welcome. In this video we will be reviewing the hug strap. The hug strap works on your instrument whether you have one, two, or no strap buttons. So I'm really excited to put it on my ukulele. But first, if you would like to learn how to play ukulele from scratch, see song tutorials, instrument reviews, then subscribe to this channel. First, we're going to try this strap on a ukulele that has both strap buttons. I ordered the coral color because I wanted something bold and to make a statement, but they do have other color options available. That's a little small for me. Let me make it a little... Wow, that slides easy. Okay, sweet. Look at how pretty that looks. Oh my goodness. All right, so there we see the hug strap on the back. Ukulele safe. We are good. I like that. This strap was recommended to me by you all. You guys know that I like ukuleles with the strap buttons, but not all of them have it. So this is the perfect solution for that. So we are going to try on the hug strap on a ukulele with no strap buttons. I have one ready to go right here. So let's see. I've never done this before, so wish me luck here. I have now installed the hug strap on my soprano. As you can see, it wraps around the thinnest part of the ukulele. Now let's bring it to the front. The package came with instructions for you to put this on a ukulele with one strap button, two strap buttons, no strap buttons, or even a banjolele I see here. Yeah, that looks different. Okay, so you have instructions for it all. Melissa from the Hug Strap did make an installation video on how to put it on as well, and she plays with it, so I really appreciated that because I did use it as I installed this. So if you made it this far in the video, please give it a thumbs up so that I know you did. And this video was made because of you guys. You guys recommended this, so please tell me in the comments below which accessory or which item I should review next. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe and learn ukulele with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!